Jai Swaminarayan, myself Kumudini Nalaude, Atmi Green School, Standard 5th, subject Maths. So yesterday we have started the revision of geometry. Okay, there we saw the line, then line segment, ray, angle, types of angles, then triangle, types of triangles, quadrilateral, types of quadrilateral, then we see the properties of triangle. Okay, then the next, that is circle. So circle, some parts we have studied. So once again we'll repeat the topic of circle. Okay, see, this is the center of circle. OP, OB, OA, OX, OY, these are the radius of the circle. Okay, and XY is the diameter of the circle. Okay, now a circle is a closed figure. So see here, circle is a closed figure, but it is not a polygon. Why? Because it is not made up of straight lines. Okay, so C is the center of circle. So every point on this curved line is equal distance from a fixed point inside the circle, and this fixed point is called center of the circle. Okay, now this perimeter of circle is called circumference of a circle. Okay, then the distance between the center of circle and any point on the circle is called radius. Now the line segment passing through center and end points are on the circle is called the diameter of circle. Okay, then next point. So one important thing, this may be for true false, fill in the blanks, or for solving the example. Diameter of a circle is twice the radius. Okay, so diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Now next, a line segment. A line segment whose end points lie on the circle is called a chord. So see this line, A and B is a chord, and this A and this last point, this is also chord. Then arc and semicircle. So half a circle is called semicircle. Okay, so see, this half circle is called semicircle, and any curved path is called arc. See here, it is RQ, or we can say here PSQ or PS. This is the arc of a circle. Get it? So let's see the exercise 7.10. Name the radius of a circle. So see here, radius and diameter both we have to tell here. If we see the first figure, then in first figure OA, OQ, OB, OP are the radius of a circle. Then PQ and AB are the diameter of a circle. Get it? In second figure, OX and OY are the radius of a circle, and XY is the diameter of a circle. Okay, here OA and OB is the radius of circle, and AB is a diameter of a circle. Get it? Now next, chord. See here, what is chord? We definitely know the two end points are on the circle is called the chord. So see here, AD, AB, BC, CD, these are the chords of the circle. Okay, so O is the center, then OA and OB are the radius. So we have to only explain the chords. Okay, so AB in the second diagram, here is AB, BP, PQ are the chord of the circle. Okay, now next. So see this, fill in the blanks, these are also so important. Diameter is the radius of chord. So diameter is the longest chord of a circle. A and B are points on a circle. Line segment AB is called chord of a circle. Get it? So A and B are 2 points on circle, then line segment AB is called chord of a circle. The perimeter of circle is called radius of a circle. The perimeter of circle is called circumference of a circle. The radius of circle is radius of the length of the diameter. So radius is half of the length of diameter. Get it? Okay. Now we have to solve D and E. So let's see if we solve in a copy. So I think in the next document it may be. Let's see. Yeah. It's D and C is completed. Just 1 second, I want to see. Yeah, C is the fill in the blanks, and D and E we have to solve. So it is solved in here. Yes. Find the diameter of a circle whose radius is. So radius given 5.4 centimeters. So diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by 5.4, that is 10.8. Then 3.6 is radius. So diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by 3.6. We get 7.2. Okay. Now next, 4.8 is the radius. So what will the diameter? 2 multiplied by 4.8, that is 9.6. Now radius is 5 meter, then diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by 5, that is 10 meter. Get it? So let's start the E question. See, find the radius of circle whose diameter is. Now diameter is given and we have to find the radius. So we have to know that radius is half of the diameter. So see here, diameter is 6.4. So R for radius. So radius is equal to D upon 2. That is 6.4 divided by 2. It is 3.2 centimeter. Now next, 8 centimeter is diameter, then radius is equal to 8 upon 2, that is 4 centimeter. Then diameter is 4.6, then radius is equal to 4.6 upon 2, that is 2.3. Then diameter is 5 meter, so radius is equal to 5 upon 2, that is 2.5 centimeter. Understand everyone? How we convert the how we calculate the diameter and how we calculate the radius. Okay, these are the small examples. So for 2 marks in PT3 it is important. Okay, so I can ask these questions. Now next topic, that is circumference of a circle. So first of all we see the examples in book and then we start to take the next exercise. Okay. So circumference means what? The perimeter of a circle is called circumference. That means whole circular path of the circle is called the circumference. So how can we calculate the circumference? So see here, the circumference upon diameter is equal to 3.14 or 22 upon 7. Okay, in every case. So how we calculate? Measure the diameter of a circle and multiply it by 3.14 or 22 upon 7, we get the circumference. Get it? So let's start to study the example in book. The diameter of a circle is 5 centimeter. Find the circumference is equal to. Now see, if it is in the multiple of 7, then you can take 22 upon 7. Okay, and if it is in numbers or in 10 multiple, then you can take 3.14. You can, it's your choice, you can take 3.14 or 22 upon 7. For the convenience I say, if it is the given diameter or circle is given and it is in the multiple of 7, you can take 22 upon 7, and it is in the 5, 10, so you can take 3.14, so that it is easier to calculate. Okay. The diameter of a circle is 5 centimeter. Find its circumference. So circumference is equal to 5 multiplied by 3.14. So after multiplying we get 15.7 centimeter. Okay. Now next, radius of a circle is 6 centimeter. Find the circumference. So see here, circumference is equal to diameter multiplied by 3.14. Okay. So we don't know diameter, but we can calculate by multiplying to the given radius, right? So 2 multiplied by radius multiplied by sorry 3